Oh, zé, zé. Elle veut qu'on s'en aille vivre au pays de Bob Marley. Vivre une vie de star un peu comme Bob Marley. Je lui ai dit ralenti, je suis pas Bob Marley. Quand on sera sûr de nous, on pourra bombarder. Elle veut qu'on s'en aille vivre au pays de Bob Marley. Vivre une...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start by applying my black castor oil. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Indian hemp, or I think that's what they call it, cream. I just bought it recently and I just want to try it out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle my hair properly. I'm going to go ahead and section out the leave out. I'm going to section my hair in front, both sides, and at the back. Then I'm going to secure it with a cornrow. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the braiding pattern. So this is the kinky hair I'll be using. It's called the Cherish Afro Kinky Bulk Hair, I believe. It costs $3.99 for one pack, and I used color 1B, and I ended up using one pack. So imagine spending $3.99 making this type of hair and keeping it for a month. It's really cheap. So I just brought out the hair from the pack and I split it into 2 equal halves. And that's how I'm going to crochet it. If you want yours to be longer, then you can just, use it like that. No need to split it. And to maintain your leave out, what I'll advise you, if you want to go to bed at night, you just cornrow your leave out, or you flat twist, or you twist your leave out. Anyone you can do. Just cornrow it or twist it, just protect it. Then the next day you can take it off and comb it, and off you go again. You can actually do that every day for a month and the hair will still be intact. So now I'm done with the crochet. I'm just going to take out the leave out. And now I'm just going to comb the leave out and just blend it with the kinky hair. You guys can see that the kinky hair looks absolutely like our natural hair. I absolutely love this kinky hair. And you can do so many styles with this hair. You can pack it into a bun. You can do whatever you want to do with this hair. It's so versatile and it's very, very beautiful and natural looking. So here I'm just trying to pack the hair. It just goes a long way to show you that there's so much styles you can do with this hair. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. So today I'm just going to talk to you guys briefly on why I actually think my hair has not been growing the way it should grow.